Meet Tommy, a brave little boy who loved to go on adventures. One day, Tommy found a treasure map in his attic and decided to follow it. The map led him to a mysterious cave in the forest. Inside the cave, Tommy discovered a chest filled with shiny jewels and gold coins. Just as he was about to take the treasure, he heard a soft voice saying,
"Only take what you need, Tommy."
Tommy realized that the real treasure was not the jewels, but the adventure itself. He left the treasure behind and returned home with a heart full of joy and excitement. Comprehension questions. Where does Tommy find a treasure map? Tommy finds a treasure map in his attic. Where does the treasure map lead Tommy? The treasure map leads Tommy to a mysterious cave in the forest. What does Tommy find inside the cave? Inside the cave, Tommy finds a chest filled with shiny jewels and gold coins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.